How to pay your Fairstone loan. So there are a few options. The first one is online payment via their website. You want to log into your account. You just Google search for Fairstone and log into your account. Then you will go to the payment section. You want to navigate to payments or my account. You will select a payment method. So choose to pay from your bank, debit card or credit card if applicable. Then you just gotta enter the payment amount, specify the amount you want to pay, full or partial, confirm the payment, review and submit the payment. You'll get a confirmation message that the payment is processed. Through your bank's online banking, this is the second method. You want to log into your bank's online platform and add Fairstone as a payee. You should look for Fairstone Financial in the list of bill payees. Then you will enter your account number, use your Fairstone loan account number from your loan agreement, and make the payment. Just follow the steps to pay from your checkings account. For any pre-authorized payments, you can set up automatic payments, pre-authorized debit with Fairstone, so the payments are automatically withdrawn from your bank account on the due date. You want to contact Fairstone's customer service and set up pre-authorized payments. You can also do it in person, as in in-person payment at a Fairstone branch or by phone, or the very last option is mailing a check. If you need any further information, you can just pause and read through this. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.